going to make chocolate chip cookies. So I have the ingredients here. I do have half cup of unsalted butter. Oops, there's a little chocolate. Should be room temp. Half cup of white or black brown sugar and white. Half cup also of white sugar. I mixed it already. And then I do have here 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I added also 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I combined all the dry ingredients here. And then I do have here 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. The first step is cream the butter with the brown sugar and granulated sugar together. Special equipment here, just use spatula, it's fine, but if you do have a mixer, feel free to use that. You will beat in the egg and then the vanilla. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's see. Let's put it all together. So put it in or mix it until well incorporated. Alright, so everything is well incorporated here. Now, what we're going to do next is combine or mix in the other ingredients, like the dry ingredients. To stir this until well blended. The chocolate chip. Ooh, this is so chocolatey. Okay. Once all the ingredients are incorporated, what you need to do is using a small ice cream scooper, or if you don't have one, use a tablespoon like I do. I still don't have it yet. What we're gonna do is we have to scoop 1 spoonful, shape it into balls like 1 to 2 tablespoons, or depends on how big you want it to be. make sure your hands are clean, and then shape them or roll them into balls. These doesn't need to be perfect. Put it in a pan. I'm going to put this on the freezer for at least 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys when we're going to put this in the oven. So for now, it's just gonna be on the freezer for again 10 to 20 minutes. See ya! Alright guys, 20 minutes have passed and this is our cookie dough. It has been frozen. So I'm gonna transfer this now in our baking tray. And we'll put this in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. Alright guys, here's our finished product. So let it cool down first before you eat.